What you can see on screen right here is the entire business model of Thomas Frank. So let's break it down. It all starts with Thomas's journey from being a student. When he was a student, he started creating content on YouTube on how to study more effectively and basically become a better student, writing better grades. So that was his first transition from student to creator. From his creator standpoint, he later diversified his channel, becoming a multipreneur from his original Thomas Frank channel, owning his main audience of around 3 million subscribers, to his Thomas Frank Explains channel, which is mainly focused and built around Notion tutorials and deep dives into productivity softwares, connecting, for example, Notion with AI or other softwares. On this channel, he's not only a creator, but also a teacher, providing his audience with the unique knowledge he got while being a creator for several different years. And on the way, he's also a co-founder of the platform Nebula, which makes itself for a goal to provide the best content possible without ads, if you want to summarize it like that. So he's also a co-founder of that. So Thomas Frank himself owns the Notion niche. So if you search anything from Notion related on YouTube, become a Notion expert, Thomas Frank is your go-to resource. He is the #1 YouTube channel providing you with in-depth tutorials on Notion. Owning this Notion niche and partially also the productivity niche on his main channel, which he returned to providing or posting more content after a whole year break, he funnels all of his people down into his newsletter. He funnels all of the interested people in learning Notion down into his newsletter on his homepage. On his homepage, you have two options: either to learn Notion via his YouTube videos or have a direct watch at all of his Notion templates. And the ultimate marketing from his templates is very simple. If you want to get this Notion template, you have to sign up with your email, and Thomas so graciously that you can also just bypass it and give the template anyway. But if you would sign up here, you will also get automatically signed up to his newsletter, where he can then promote you with offers for his paid Notion templates and maybe new courses he's launching. He's got a business course on Nebula exclusive if you are a creator and want to start a business, your creator business, how to sign it up, how to set it up, how to get started with tax and all of that fancy stuff. So he's also got courses he's monetizing with, and of course sponsorships on YouTube videos, mainly on his main channel. All of these sources lead him to generating returns from his content, monetizing his passion of being a teacher and creator, and based on that, he gets also feedback from the content he makes on which videos to develop in the future. That leads him to getting new ideas for possible content, and once he acts on these ideas, provides new content, for example, making content on code because he learned to code and sees, oh well, this video did not perform as well in the short term as, for example, this other video I did, then he can act on this feedback and brainstorm new ideas to make then content that is more fitting to his current audience of productivity and Notion across two channels.